Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to replace the toner cartridges, the drum cartridges and the waste toner box on Xerox Workcentre 6515 model. So first we will start with replacing the toner cartridges. Open the front cover of the cartridges. Then how to replace each of them. Just pull out the deserved toner cartridge, take the new one and place it back and close the door. That's it. Now let's take a look at the waste toner box. It's on this side of the device. Open the side cover and this is our waste toner box. How to take it out? Just push this handle and take it out. This is our waste toner box. And finally, how to replace the drum units. For example, let's replace the yellow unit. Press down this lever and pull out the drum. Then take the new drum and place it back and push up this orange lever and put back again the waste toner box. Close the side cover and that's it. We are done. So thank you very much and good luck.